We are at the car wash with Buddy Williams
It's gonna be alright.
of the Blue Magic lead singer. And here we go. We ain't moving yet.
Need
This
healing.
is so fun.
Need healing.
This is so fun. I'm
Need
saying this is fun.
Healing.
This is fun.
Healing for your sorrow.
It's coming from church.
Healing for your pain.
Had an awesome word.
Healing for your sickness.
Trying to say I need healing because I'm videotaping us at the car wash.
Yep.
And he getting ready to start. Oh, here it comes. You gotta roll up the window.
You'll be alright.
Oh, they put an armor all on, right?
We'll do that afterwards.
Oh, they do that. Oh, there goes the water!
Wash it.
I'm not gonna videotape him because then he'll act like he want to be a superstar. Ooh, pretty. Okay. I want the splashy and the. Here we go! Yay! We're going to the car wash. This is amazing. Let me turn it this way. Here we go. All right. Ladies and gentlemen, we are going through the car wash. Car wash, yeah. Working at the car wash. Oh, 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 Lord. Talking about the car wash, yeah. Listen to that. Work and work. Work and work. Keep so bad them sheets. I'm in work and work. They working. This is beautiful. Like an airplane taking off. That was our trip to the car wash. Stay tuned.